I don't know.
I don't know. On that way is crispy right there.
Hey, why is your finger in my food?
No, that one, yeah.
Okay, but don't put your finger in my food.
Mm.
I'm not taking a picture. I'm just
Chew, chew,
doing
chew.
a movie.
Chew, chew, chew.
Why do you like cereal so much?
Okay, so Daddy likes cereal so much.
Hmm?
Daddy likes cereal a lot.
Daddy, you want some cereal?
No, I'm okay.
This is so big.
What?
This is so big.
Daddy's growing bigger.
Am I gonna? I don't know. I'm growing bigger in my tummy. Is
Oh.
that your sister? What happened, sister? Did you lock yourself? There you go. Open. Open it, sweetheart. There you go. Hi, Angel. What are you doing?
Button.
Your turn.
Yeah.
Come out here. We're hanging out.
Button.
But why is it your turn?
That's a turn. Grandma.
Grandma.
No, Grandma, my turn.
Your turn. I know you can't touch this one because it'll break. Do you want to try some cereal?
No.
Oh, sister, come on. Look at Luca slurping up his cereal.
Button. Button.
Do you want a camera? Let me give you the other camera.
Yeah, Grandma.
There you go.
What are we eating? You ate the whole
Okay, say cheese.
Okay.
Let's wake up Uncle Jeremy. Come on, sister. Get your lazy ass up. Oh, it's time to say, get up. I said 8:30. Come on, give me. Say, get up, you bum.
Did that you bum?